Giraffes are any of the 4 species in the genus Giraffa and are native to Africa. The areas they inhabit are very fragmented. Giraffes frequently are found in areas with acacia trees. The most suitable habitat for these animals is a dry, arid land. They inhabit grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands. They generally live to be about 20 to 28 years old, and they weigh between 500 to 2,000 pounds. However, they have been known to get to about 2 tons. They have a height of 14 to 18 feet, and then they are vulnerable and decreasing. They are herbivores, and their diet mainly consists of leaves from the thorny acacia trees. And being browsers, these animals will also consume leaves, flowers, seed pods, and fruit. In the heat of the day, they will rest in shaded areas, regurgitating their food and then ingesting it again. Giraffes have a long prehensile tongue that is about 18 inches long. It's purplish black in color and is useful for grass and foliage. Their upper lip is also prehensile and useful for foraging. It is covered in hair to protect against the thorns. They rarely drink, obtaining about 70% of the required water from food. Due to their large size, giraffes spend a lot of time eating. They're usually more active in the mornings and evenings, and they rest standing up during the night. Females live in non-territorial groups of up to 20. Female giraffes and their young gather into small herds, keeping constantly together in order to protect the calves from predators. Giraffes are rarely heard and usually considered silent mammals. They communicate one another by infrasonic sound. However, they can vocalize to one another by grunts and wolf-like cries. Some other communication sounds for giraffes are moaning, snoring, hissing, and flute-like sounds. When alarmed, a giraffe grunts or snorts to warn neighboring giraffes of danger. Mother giraffes can whistle to their young calves. Also, cows search for the lost young by making bellowing calls. The calves return to their mother's calls by bleating or mewing. Males prefer to lead solitary lives. They travel long distances to find fertile females. Adult male giraffes establish dominance and hierarchies by sparring. Sparring involves 2 individuals standing stiff-legged and parallel. The males march in step with one another with their necks horizontal, facing forward. They rub and intertwine their neck and heads. Then they lean on each other to evaluate their opponent's strength. Necking occurs when the 2 giraffes stand alongside each other and swing their heads at the other giraffe. They aim their horns at their opponent's rump, flanks, or neck. It's hard enough blow can knock or injure an opponent. Dominant males get the right to breed with females in this area. Normal giraffe gestation lasts between 13 and 15 months. It normally yields a single baby, but rarely can produce twins. The female gives birth in a calving area, which she further uses throughout her life. The newborn is able to walk just an hour after birth. The young calves can start running within 24 hours after birth. Weaning occurs at 1 year old. At the age of 15 months, the young become fully independent. Giraffes grow to nearly their full height by 4 years of age, but can wait until they're 7 or 8. Giraffe populations seem to be stable throughout parts of their range and are threatened in other areas. Hunting and poaching are among the major threats to the giraffe's population. Another concern is the loss of natural habitat due to human activities. The overall number of giraffe population is recently estimated at about 97,000 individuals and is presently decreasing. A study in 2016 determined the giraffe populations plummeted by 36 to 40% between 1985 and 2015. They are assessed as vulnerable, close to extinction as of 2016. They have also classified 2 giraffe subspecies as critically endangered in 2018. There are also 2 more species that were classified as endangered in 2018 and 2019. Some giraffe fun facts. Giraffes sleep from 10 minutes to 2 hours a day, which is one of the shortest sleeping requirements among mammals. Also, the heart of a giraffe is about 2 foot long and weighs 22 pounds. To keep the blood flow to the brain, the heart of a giraffe has to generate twice as much blood pressure versus the average large mammal.